Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your location where you are connecting with me from. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel where I teach stock investment and the opportunities around stock investment, how you can convert your money into actionable investment that will definitely bring you returns. Away from that, whatever I'm going to be showing you here, or the data I'm going to be showing you, are not actually financial advice. They are just opportunities. So you have to look first before you leap. So whatever I'm going to be teaching you here today are opportunities that will enable you or will help you to take your personal decision on how to invest your money. The platforms I'm going to expose a lot of them that will help you to invest your money instead of saving your money, because the good thing is money was never created to be saved. Money was created to be in business, to be transactional, to be in action. So that is why this particular video today, this video today is very, very important, and I want to encourage you to watch and listen to me till the end, because every part of what I'm going to be showing you today are practically verifiable and practical oriented, that if you first before you leap. Now, my name is Kasimi Emeka. I'm a digital marketer, small business promoter, and a full-time stock trader. So if today is just the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that YouTube will always send you a notification whenever I drop useful information or knowledge that can help you to manage your money, to make it work for you all the time. So let's go. So today I'm going to be buying a lot of stock. Yes, I'm spending over 8 million naira to invest in different stocks. Of course, I have about $3,000 in my US portfolio that will enable me to buy some US stocks, foreign stocks, and then that of Nigeria, I'm going to be buying some Nigerian stock. But now one thing I want you to do is this, and that is why you have to watch this video till the end. It's very, very important because it's going to help you. So now this is what it is. You don't just buy stock and start buying stock because either they are cheap or because they are high. You have to do what is called critical analysis. You have to do some analysis about the company you want to buy from or about the stock. You look at this, you look at the data and then be able to analyze them. That is why you need to follow me, and then you see how we analyze stocks before you can then buy them. So this is what it is. I want to focus on the local stock. I want to buy some Nigerian stocks today. Yes, I have over 5 million here that I'm going to spend. I've actually bought some few stocks. Yes, I bought some few stocks here. Just only Transcorp that I have 100,000 units, which cost me 1.4 million. Yes, 1.4 million. So I'm going to buy some other ones. So please, like I said, make sure you click on the notification bell, so that you can always get useful information like this. So let's go. I've actually created watch list. Yes, because when you want to buy any stock, you try as much as possible to create a watch list. Watch list enables you to always see the selected stocks that you are buying from, so that you don't just do everything randomly, or anytime you want to come and check them here, you don't see them. So you create a watch list, add those selected stocks into your watch list. You can see what I did here. I have favorite, I have US tech stock, I have real estate stock, I have random stocks, and even transportation stocks that I just use trans. So you can create more, and then you specify each of the watch list into a streamlined page. That is one thing. So another thing that you need to also do is this, that whenever you want to buy stocks, make sure you don't put all your money in one particular company. You need to diversify because all companies may not perform at the same time. Yes, some may be outperforming others, while some will just be trying to pick up. So whichever way, when you diversify, either of your stocks will always boost the opportunities to make money. So now I'm going to dive into the softwares, the platform that I use in analyzing or analyzing different stocks before you buy them. So I want to check this Maya. All of them I'm going to be buying them one after the other. So make sure you watch to the end. So now this is my trading view. I actually use trading view to analyze every type of stock that I'm going to be investing in. It could also be cryptocurrency. A lot of people use the trading view to analyze their cryptocurrency trading or any kind of trading. It's a very useful and a very powerful application or platform that you can use to analyze any stock you're buying. So now this is Maya. This is Maya. You can always go ahead and read about Maya, what they are into, what they do, but I'm going to be focusing on whether Maya is good to buy or you should just ignore it and sell if actually you have bought. Because one thing is to see this particular stock at this price. Another thing is it a stock that is good to be bought, or is it a stock that is undersold or oversold? These are what you need to find out before you go ahead to buy. And now I have my oscillators. My oscillator will always help you to analyze the current price of any particular stock, and also helps you to project or give you an insight over the analyst forecast. You understand the analyst forecast. So you can see now on the oscillator's angle is actually showing that you can buy this particular stock, but the summary is showing that you can strongly buy this particular stock. And then the moving average is also showing you that you should buy this particular stock strongly, because there is possibility, there is a lot of potential that is going to move higher. You understand? The market is going to be so favorable. The condition of the market is going to be so favorable for Maya company or Maya stock to be able to perform better. So you use this to be able to know how you can buy them. And then when you come here, I always use this chart. I use this chart and then the stock screener to be able to know which particular stock to buy that is just showing a neutral level, or buy, or that you should buy strong. You understand? So when you buy strong, it means that there are a lot of possibilities that the stock is going to move higher for you to be able to make money. But if you just buy is also good, but buy is a bit neutral, though not neutral, but you can buy and hold for a very short period of time. But that of the buying stronger is that the projection or the forecast is so large for you to make good amount of money. So let me check this Maya, because I want to buy this Maya. Okay, Maya is not showing me their symbol, but I think I can use. Okay, good. Maya is a Nigerian stock. So you come here. I want to change the market. I'll have to change the market to focus on Nigeria, because I'm in Nigeria. I will apply it. So I can now check Maya. You see, every of the tickers are not showing me Nigerian stock. So Maya. Good. So Maya is actually showing from the technical rating that I can buy this stock high. I can buy it very strong. The possibility is so large. So I wouldn't waste time. Let me just go and buy this particular stock, Maya. So I will come to my watch list. I have this Maya. No, that is the Maya. I have Okay, this is Mayor, so I will say Mayor. Okay, good, Mayor PLC. So how much is it? It is 5 naira 2 kobo at this moment. You know, as at the time I'm recording this particular video, the time of the market is already closed because most market open by 3 p.m. and then closes 10 p.m. This is just 12 12:01 a.m. on the 7th. So I will want to buy this particular stock right away. How much is it? 510. Okay, so how many units do I need to buy? Let me put I want to buy the market. I will put let me get it like 50,000 units. Okay, good. I'm getting a 50,000 unit of this particular stocks, or should, okay, 50,000 units. So I'll go ahead. There must be some level of charges. Yes, you can see what Trove is actually charging, because Trove is a third-party platform that enables you or gives you that opportunity to be able to trade both Nigerian stock, foreign stocks, United States, that is New York Stock Exchange. You have access to that. You have access to Nasdaq. You have access to Dell and all that. So now they're charging me the fee of 6,110 naira, 95 kobo. So I'll go ahead and buy this particular stock. I'll place it. Mind you, but as soon as you place this order, it may not reflect immediately. It will just be on processing. Yes, on processing. See, there are some that I've actually placed, but they didn't go through. Like Zenith failed. 9m is pending. Okay, so Maya is now processing. So even if it shows you failure or cancelled or whatever it is, as you just wait some time and then you come back there to place your order. Okay, so I've been able to succeed on that. So I'm going to check another stock again that I want to buy. So I will check 9m. Let me check 9m and see what they are going to show me. 9m. 9m is a pharmaceutical company. Oh, it's also showing me to buy strong. So I'm going to buy this particular stock. I'm going to buy this particular stocks. So even the chart indicator, the candlestick, they're also showing a favorable indicators. So we go to 9m. See, let me buy 9m. So with this, you'll be able to buy any kind of stock that you've been able to, analyze, even if it's a layman's analysis. But that is one good thing that you need to do, to always follow a mentor. I mentor you and I help you, I guide you on, in fact, any current news around investment, around any stock that you want to buy, with different levels of platforms that I use in analyzing. I follow a lot of them: UK, Middle East, Japanese, China, and all that. So I'm going to buy this particular one. So let me place the order for this. Let me say I want to buy a 50,000 unit of it. Okay, 50,000 unit of it. I think let me make it 100. Let me make it 100,000 units. Yes, 100,000 units. Okay, good. They are also charging me a fee of 4k plus, so that is not bad. So I'll place that order. So I'll go back again. This is how you take your time to make sure that the stocks that you are buying, they are all favorable. So I will check my list and say, okay, which other ones should I buy? Which other ones should I buy? I want to check banking sector. I want to check the banking industry. I see. Let me check GTCO. Let me check GTCO and see what is GTCO doing right now. Should I buy GTCO? Oh, GTCO is showing to sell, not to buy. You can see. Now another thing is this: even when it shows you to sell or sell strong, most times you can buy this particular stock and leave it for a long-term investment. You understand that? Long-term investment. The platform I will also use to analyze this particular stock is to show me if it's undervalued or is near its fair value. The fair value. Every company, every stock has their fair value. Fair value means that if that particular stock can grow to this particular XYZ amount, that it is fair for investors. It is fair for even the company itself. Do you understand that? So if at all that there is a stock that is the fair value is like 100 naira or $100 per one stock, and the stock is trading at 50 or 60 naira at that moment, it means it has not gotten to the fair value. That doesn't mean that when it hits the fair value, it cannot surpass it. There are a lot of stocks that have already passed their fair value, like Facebook. That is Facebook. Facebook have actually surpassed its fair value. So you can buy that particular stock and do what we call to hold. You can hold it because it has actually either very close or just hitting the fair value. So this is actually showing me that I should sell, not to buy. So I will go back to check one more stock to buy. I really want this analysis, this platform to show me what to do. I do not want to make huge mistake. Let me check PZ. Let me check PZ. Oh, PZ is showing me to buy, so I can buy this. It's not showing strong buy, but it's showing buy, which means it's still very, very much favorable. So I will go ahead and buy this particular stock. PZ Nigeria PLC. PZ Nigerian PLC. Mind you, because the market is not open, it's already closed, so most of the stocks may not scale through immediately. Some will bounce back, but once the market opens, I can replace my order. So let me buy 20,000 unit of let me buy 10,000. Let me buy 10,000 unit of it. Okay, good. I'm getting the 10,000 unit of this stock. If it has shown me strong buy, I would have decided to buy up to 20,000 unit of it because I have the funds there. So like I said, why I'm doing all this is that whatever amount you have, don't just go and leave it in the bank waiting for something to happen to it before you hit. Instead of leaving it in the bank, you invest it in the bank. You can see GT. I could buy GT, Access Bank, Zenith Bank. Many of them are there. So let me check that of let me check Zenith Bank. Let me check Zenith and see if Zenith is favorable for us to buy. Zenith is saying I should sell, not to buy. Not to buy. But I can still buy this particular stock and hold it. That is one good thing about stock investment. I can buy it and hold it. Okay, I can check one more. Okay, May & Baker. Let me check May & Baker. May Baker. Yeah. Okay, good. May Baker. What are you saying? So let me check. May Baker. May Baker is saying I can buy. so I can buy this N8m Baker. Remember, most of you who normally buys this particular drugs, that is M&B paracetamol or M&B. You have the paracetamol, you have Emzor paracetamol, you have M&B. This is M&B. Yes, M&B N8m Baker. You can see it here is health technologies into pharmaceutical industry. So I want to buy this N8m Baker. So let me see if I can get. Oh, you can see is actually, because the market is closed, but it doesn't stop the business of the day or of the market of the company. So let me get 15,000 units or 15,000. Let me get 30,000 units. Yes, getting 30,000 units. So now they're charging me 5k, so I'm placing this order immediately. So good. So I'm going to also check one more before I show you how you can always automate your stock investment. You can automate it by setting up the purchase line and giving a limit. So I will check which other one should I check. Which other one? There's one particular stock that is actually, I'm going to take time to analyze this Capital Oil. Capital Oil is owned by a Nigerian, I think Andy Uba or Ifeanyi Uba from the east, from Anambra State. This J's Bank, yeah. I actually want to buy this J's Bank. I'll definitely buy it. Some power. Okay, Sunu Assurance, I'm also going to buy it. So let me check First Bank. Check First Bank and see, because recently First Bank has been performing excellently. I think 2 days ago or Saturday or Friday or so, it topped the financial industry gainers analysis. I think it did marvelously well, First Bank. Okay, so let me go and check FBNH. First Bank. Okay, First Bank is saying I can buy, so let me buy it. Placing the order right away. Okay. First Bank, how many? Okay, let me see if I can buy 10,000 units. Buy 10,000 units of First Bank. Or should I make it? Let me make it 20,000. I can also come back later to to buy more. So it doesn't mean that if I don't buy it now, I can't buy again. So I can always buy more. So that is that. So that is it. So now let me show you guys how you can also automate your purchase. Now the market is already down, but then before you can automate, you must have an analyzed line to be able to do that. For instance, I want to buy, let me say I want to buy this Geregu power. So I will say Geregu. I think this Geregu is one big investor is into this particular company, that is Femi Otedola, one of the Nigerian billionaires. So I will check Geregu. Let me see what it says. So Geregu is saying that I can buy. Do you understand that I can buy? So I will click on this Geregu to see the where it is. So, but however, this Geregu at this moment is 614 naira, 14 naira 90 kobo. So, but you can buy this particular stock at 600 naira. You can buy it at 600 naira, or you can also buy it at 650 or 660 naira or 630 50 naira, as the case may be. So how do you do that? Now I want to place that. So for instance, I want to buy this particular stock. So when you come to your buying platform, you just trade type. You click on trade type and then enable limit. You enable the limit. Limit means that until this stock hits a certain figure, do not trigger the purchase. You understand that? Do not trigger the purchase. Now this particular stock has actually dropped. It's showing here 614 naira 90 kobo. But then because the market is closed, but then the activities, because most businesses, they don't close. Some trade both night and day, so that is why you have a lot of workers, people, being on shift. So this company, this particular stock has actually dropped. So if at all I want to buy this stock at 552 naira or 556 naira, as the case may be, dropping. So I can come here and say, okay, get this stock at 550 naira per share. Then you eat how many stock do you want to get from this? So for instance, I want to get, let me say I want to get 50. No, I want to get 50 of this. You go ahead, it will definitely show how many you are able to buy. So what is it showing here? So you are about investing 27,500 in Geregupa PLC. You will receive approximately 50 shares when your order is filled at, you understand that, is filled at 550. So this stock is actually higher than this amount that I'm putting. But what I'm trying to tell this platform, I'm setting up this, that once the market opens and it drops to 550, please, my purchase should trigger. With this, you can be able to buy stock at a cheaper rate. This is just Nigerian stock, but I tell you, it mostly work for foreign stock, because foreign stocks are, in fact, every seconds, once the market is open, you see the movement, you see the indicators, you see the candlestick, you see everything working simultaneously. So with that, you'll be able, many guys, they determine at a particular time that they can make money. And mind you, even as an investor or a stock trader, this can just be your main business, your main hustle. You just wake up, you on your computer. The moment the market is open, you can trade, make money, and pull out. Then you close. The next day, you do the same thing continuously, Monday till Friday. So, but this particular stock, I want to buy more than this. I don't want to buy just. I want to buy more than this. So I will enter it again. I'll say, okay, once it hits 550, please get me 1,000 unit. Let me say 1,000 unit will be how much? Yes, so I want to get a 1,000 unit of Geregu stock. So I'll say go ahead, charging me 12k plus. So that is how you can always buy your shares. So you can see now I've been able to do this. So if I want to also buy foreign stocks, so I can go ahead and check my portfolio, my watch list, and know which one am I buying from, where am I buying from. Okay, for instance, I want to buy a real estate stock. You can see Berkshire Hathaway is owned by Warren Buffett, one of the world's greatest investor of all time, and he's owned this particular stock because he's the highest shareholder in that industry or in that company. So you have many others, both in tech. I love buying stocks in techs. I love buying stock in tech. This is Shen. Shen is a telecommunication company. So I want to check this Shen. Let me check Shen and see what they will tell me. So I will change my market. I'll move my market to USA. USA market has a lot of not just only one particular market that controls the system. You know, you have the Nasdaq, you have the New York Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange is the biggest stock exchange in the entire world. New York Stock Exchange is the biggest in the entire world. So when you are buying from all these guys, you know that you are into a very big business. That shouldn't be a joke. Okay, so no, I'm not saving anything. So let it just move. Okay. So I want to check that of Shen. Good. Okay, yeah, Shen Telecom. So Shen is saying strong sell, don't buy. That I shouldn't just buy. I should just leave it. If I have to sell it right now. Why is it so? Probably because, let me open it. You can see it's actually pointing down. This particular stock is losing it. You understand? So once it's like this, trading view will always give you an insight of what you should do so that you don't go and lose money. So I think I've purchased Apple. I want to check. Let me check. Let me check Marathon. No, let me check Comcast. CMCSA. Comcast Corporation is saying neutral. So Comcast is neutral. We don't know what exactly you should do. So in this kind of matter, you can see now it's actually up and down. So if you may take the risk, of course, stock investment is not just a short-term investment or mid-term. It can be a long-term investment. The year is just starting. This is just February. So you can buy this particular stock and hold it. You know, you hold it. As soon as it appreciates, you can sell. Market normally appreciate anytime, any day, especially the foreign stock. The foreign stock can appreciate anytime, any moment. So that is one good thing about investing in stock. And mind you, every stock you buy, the unit, you don't lose it. The value, you may of course lose value, but the moment it picks up, it's actually a go. Okay, let me check Holly. Okay, Holly is saying I can buy. Yes, Holly is saying that I can buy the stock because you can see it actually going up. It's actually going up. So let me go and buy Holly. Another good thing that you must do is this. Even when you are buying all this company, I'm analyzing with trading view to know the direction, the moving average. You understand the moving average, the summary, and then what the oscillators is actually showing. But then you also need to read details about the company that you are buying. You are buying their shares because it's all about the company. These are not just done in the moon. They are actually real companies that you are buying a part of the company, becoming a shareholder. So as they make money, they are also considering you immediately and sharing part of it to you. So let me show you how you can always see the progress of any company, what they have been able to invest, how their cash flow, the balance sheet, the revenue line, the market capitalization. These are things that you need to know so that when you are buying, either you are buying from a very big company or you are buying from just a baby company, so that you don't just lose money, because of lack of knowledge. So let me just dive in and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is another platform that I also use. On this platform, you can buy any type of UK stocks. There are a lot of stocks here that you cannot buy on Trove, but you can buy them only from this particular angle because it's a UK based stock. It showcases more of London Stock Exchange. So like I said, let me check Holly so that you guys can see what Holly is about and what they represent. This is Holly's automation technology. So good, this is the company, and you can see how they have been moving forward. So first and foremost, you read about the company, what they are into, that Holly is a provider of automation and control technologies, products. You take time to read about this. They are into industrial automation, that's IA. But I also focus on you knowing the CEO, the Changli Wang. It's also that name is a Chinese name. This company based in China and all that. Then you now need to know the key ratios of this particular company. One, the market capitalization, which is $1.57 billion. And both the ratios, the revenue, and the dividend or whatever, if they are actually paying dividend. Then the financial summary. Financial summary will always show you the year ended or the quarterly ended, how they trade, and then the revenue increase, the revenue that comes in or the revenue decrease. So this company has actually did well in the last 3 months. That is the last quarter of 2023. They actually did better. You see the revenue increased 8% to $199 million. So it's a very good company to invest in. You see the income statement, the annual, the quarterly income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow. So it's a nice thing to always know all this, so that when you are buying, you know that you are not just buying on the air, you're actually buying real and be able to know what you are doing. So guys, I'm going to cut it here. Let me just buy this Holly so that I will call it a day. Mind you, if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, on the description of this video, you will see my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is there. You can click it and then message me directly on my WhatsApp. I'll give you it's actually with terms and conditions, what you need to know, what you should do, how you can go about my training. If it's a virtual, if you want to meet me physically, I will always arrange that. So also don't forget to click on the notification bell if you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that anytime I'm dropping ideas or information like this, you will always get notified. So until we meet again, I want to thank you for staying with me. In fact, I love you guys for doing this. This is what I do. Don't forget to drop a comment or share or like this particular video. Until we meet again, say bye bye.